Hello, it's day 3. Day 3, na?
Yeah, day 3.
Not
three.
day 4 actually.
Day 4. Yeah.
Sorry, it's
You
day
lost count of days.
the heck is
Beautiful.
this? Hello everyone, it's day 4 in Bali. Today we are in Ubud. Not Ubud, we will go to Ubud, but before that, as we missed Tanah Lot the earlier day, we came to visit Tanah Lot temple today. So we are going there only. We have already reached. We are just walking through the art market in Tanah Lot. There's art market, beautiful art market. You'll get beautiful souvenirs for like your close people. You get
And
this
also, yeah,
What the heck is
beautiful.
this?
Yeah.
That's the kind of souvenir only Bali has. I don't know. They sell it in the form of stands, in the form of bottle openers.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, different sizes. Whichever you want. We are having coconut water in here. There is minimum 1 to 1.5 liters of water in this coconut. This is so huge.
They give
Okay.
a spoon also.
See, look at my hand and look at the coconut. This is so huge. So this is a little pricey over here, coconuts, in comparison to India, but the size is bigger as well, so it is justified. This costed us 25,000 IDR, which is 130 in Indian rupees. So it is pretty big in size, but let's taste it and see how it is.
Sweet, very sweet.
Is it? Quality is really great. Really great. Very sweet. This is the Tanah Lot temple. It's in the middle of the sea. So we can go there by crossing the waters over there. Like some people are going there, we aren't going. So we got a lot of things, so many things from this souvenir shop. This is like pretty cheap. You can come here. This is just beside Tanah Lot temple. You can see this, the name of the shop is souvenir shop only. You get everything like starting from magnets, key rings, bracelets, everything like. We came to the Luna Beach Club. Look at the beautiful sunset that's happening. Look at the beautiful colors of the sky. Oh my god. It's completely bright orange.
You have to catch the shuttle.
Did you take a picture of this?
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Luna.
Luna.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hello.
sure. We will be catching a shuttle from here and that will take us to Luna Beach Club. We are going. finished our stay at Ubud, which is Goose Day Tranquil House and Villas. So this is our stay in Ubud for the next 3 nights, next 4 nights actually. Next 4 days we will be staying over here. This is our last destination in Bali, where we'll be staying. Some cupboard kind of thing. And this is the master bedroom. This is the washroom. It's pretty huge in size. And then we go to the balcony. Heavily. This is our balcony. This is the view from our balcony. It's raining heavily. We came down in our hotel for breakfast. This is what we have today. This is the kitchen area of the hotel we are in. So we reached Tirthaganga.
The process of the water, they don't use a pump. Originally manual. Power of all is manual. The water spring over there. And then there is a pool.
This is where the cleansing ritual of Tirthaganga takes place. Here we come to Yunas for tasting the Bali Luwak coffee. This is the Bali special coffee, Luwak coffee.
This is luwak food.
This
Luwak food.
This is the pulp. And this one we have the Bali coffee, the coffee normally, the pulp luwak, and this one the cacao. Yeah, cacao.
is basically made of poo of
And
luwak.
this is the poo itself.
Yeah, this is the poo itself. Oh, okay. Of the luwak cat.
Yes.
Right.
And this one we have
Luwak.
the spices as well. Clove, black, white peppers, nutmeg, and cinnamon. This one they make it for the tea, turmeric, ginger, mangosteen, and masala. And then you wanna see we have the animals? Yeah. You can see animals.
So basically they make a type of coffee called luwak coffee from the poo of luwak. That's the animal we'll be showing you.
You wanna see the fish? You wanna see the fish?
Let him sleep.
Yeah, you can wake up. Okay. Hey bro.
Gini dulu, Cok. Bersihin dulu.
Hi. Hello.
Bersihin dulu.
Hello.
Ya, bersihin dulu.
That's luwak right there sleeping. So these are the coffees. They are
These are teas actually.
Oh, these are the teas actually.
These are the coffees.
These are the coffees. They have a specialty and they make it over here. And they have this Luwak coffee as well, which I just showed you while entering the farm, coffee farm. So this is not for free. We have ordered for it because we wanted to try it. We are trying it. We have ordered for 1 cup and let's see after having it how it tastes like. But it smells really good over here. It's all coffee smelling.
You need to see the number here.
Okay.
You see number 1, the Bali coffee. Here number 1.
Okay.
That's number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So enjoy your drink for the testing.
Thank
Take
you.
your time, yeah?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Siphonic.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's for you, the Luwak coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But I'm sorry for the Luwak coffee that when I give you the 100% Luwak coffee, not sugar,
No,
Yeah,
definitely.
sure.
sugar.
So we have tasted all the teas and coffees that we got here from like 15 kinds of teas and coffees. And the most liked one amongst all of them is, for me, is the coconut coffee, I guess. This tastes like very caramellish. This has a coconut flavor to it, but it tastes very caramellish. I like the Pandanus tea the best, and this coconut coffee the best. Yeah, so this is the Luwak coffee. So they recommended us to try it raw without sugar because that's how we will get the full taste from it. So we will be trying it raw first, then maybe if we want we can add condensed milk to it. I'll have to ask them. It's a very strong coffee, very strong, flavorful as well. Different from Balinese coffee, very different. Try this. Raw, this is
Super strong.
super strong, huh? I told you, it's strong, very strong. It's pretty strong. You can ask them to add some milk.
Yeah.
We are going to add some. This is the color of the coffee right now. So like the regular coffee, it is very creamy as we have added a condensed milk to it. One of the best coffees I've ever had. Very tasty. It's super creamy. It has turned super creamy.
Nice.
Huh? It has turned super creamy. So we reached the Pura Lempuang temple. This temple is pretty high on hill, so basically car doesn't come over here. There's a parking area down and we left our car there and we came here by shuttle. This shuttles come over here. So we're going up the temple. We have worn this sarong. This is basically to cover your legs. He's also wearing one.
Since I'm wearing so sexy, I'm looking.
The sarong is actually compulsory for all, whether you wear a full trouser or not.
See, I heard that on the internet that you have to cover your legs, so that's why I wore a full trouser. Just in case I don't have to wear a sarong. But it's compulsory for everyone to wear a sarong, so I'm wearing it on top of my trousers. No use.
Yeah. The road is very steep, like very steep.
So now the number is still 360.
And this is the most famous gate that you might have seen in social media. And these are the people waiting just for a photo in there. We have done our couple shoot in this famous Bali gate. We are done with it. We had to wait for like 40-45 minutes and then we got our turn.
Actually, the trick is to come after lunch.
Yeah.
Actually, people are going out. It's,
Yeah,
I mean, came to
mainly
know from the locals only.
Yeah. That's a volcanic mountain right there. You can see it last erupted in 2017, so it's an active volcano. Look at the sunset, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful beyond words. I don't know how much camera is able to justify it, but it's beautiful in real. What are you looking at? You are damn scared.
Yes, I was. I'm scared of heights.
I was saying, Ade, everything is fine, everything is fine. No, I'm not going there.
See, I was under the impression that this podium is not that high. You can see it's that much high. Yes. So, and if you fall down, you'll fall down straight.
Straight. And nobody is going to find you. Okay. But yeah, that was fun. That podium is strong enough to stand. It's not actually moving, so it's okay. I wasn't scared that much. I was so excited with the view itself. Just look at the view. God. Just look at the view. I don't know if my camera can capture the actual beauty of this. This view is to die for. So here we are having our dinner today, indulging into Indonesian delicacies. This is ayam rica rica. This is basically a chicken dish, like sorted in
Chili, tomatoes.
Chili, tomatoes. This is called
onions.
sambal,
Yeah,
right?
sambal,
Sambal. Served with steamed rice. And this is bebek betutu. This is duck,
Whole duck.
basically. Whole duck. Steamed, right? This one?
Yes, steamed. Yeah.
This is steamed whole duck. Bebek betutu. Served with steamed rice. And
Udang. Sambal.
Sambal and peanuts.
Peanut. Yes.
Nice. Tasty.
We had our food. Also, we had our dinner with our driver today. So he's a very sweet person. So we had our dinner together today. We decided to have our dinner together, and then we are back to hotel after a long drive because we went very far today. And tomorrow we are looking forward to go to the Bali swing and some other places as well, which we'll be showing. So let's see. I'm very tired now, like we both are very tired now, and we're going off to sleep. So good night.